Hello everyone and welcome to your Austin Real Estate Daily. It's our daily video blog about Central Texas real estate. My name is John McClellan.
I'm Jason Lewis.
And we are back after a little bit of a hiatus because Jason had a baby.
I did. I'm excited to be back.
Nothing happened while you're gone. Nothing at all, Jason.
Nothing news.
Fine.
Actually, the news that has come out is a little depressing, and we've been kind of singing lately around here that
It's the end of the world as we know it.
It really is the end of the world as we know it, and being in the mortgage business, a few weeks back the Financial Reform Act was signed.
Yep.
And now they're actually translating what it's going to mean, and it doesn't mean anything that we really are happy about.
Yeah, so the Fed came down with proposed rules yesterday. They're putting them into place, and what it basically does is take yield spread premiums off the table for all loan originators, be it brokers or bankers or even employees who work for depository banks. That would be like your Bank of America, your Wells Fargo. So anybody originating a loan now cannot get yield spread premium. And what a yield spread premium is depending on the interest rate, the loan officer can make a commission. So they've taken that off the board, and the only way a loan officer can be compensated now is based upon the total loan amount, not on the terms of the loan.
So loan origination, upfront pricing, charging upfront to the borrowers, the only way we're going to be able to be compensated.
Yeah, and pay basis points on your loan amount. That's how it's going to be here in the future. Just like the dinosaurs died out, an evolutionary change is about to happen in our industry too. In fact, that proverbial comet or meteor is about to strike, and that strike date, we actually know which date that is now. It is going to be April 1st, 2011, which just happens to be
April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day. So, who'd have thunk it? It is here, it's reality. I think there's some positive things that actually come through with this. Obviously, I think people will be leaving our industry. There'll be less people doing what we're doing. We like to call it a culling of the herd or a mass extinction at this point.
So we want to be the mammals crawling out of the ocean, climbing.
Yes, we're going to be the next evolutionary change that's happening. That's going to be us.
We don't know what that means, but mortgage tip of the week. Today the tip of the week concerns tax returns. They are very, very important to any transaction.
You need tax returns?
You need tax returns. And we're here to give you some information that will help you help yourself. What are we talking about, John?
You need to file your tax returns if you want to get a loan. One of the problems we've been running into lately here is people are not filing their tax returns for 08, 07, let alone 09. And guess what? To get a loan nowadays, we check with the IRS to make sure you filed your tax returns. And if you didn't file your tax returns, it doesn't matter. You can't get a loan until you do. So guess what?
Regardless, file your tax returns.
Get your tax returns filed.
And as loan officers, ask early. I mean, this is a first day initial question. Have you filed your tax returns? It sounds very redundant, but it's not. You've got people, doctors, lawyers even, that you would think they've got great credit, they got money in the bank, they must have filed their tax returns.
It's the IRS, Kevin. What do we know? Consumer news. What's happening out there in the world of loan programs? Well, guess what? There is some consumer news out there. FHA had originally said they were going to change their upfront and monthly MI premiums on September 7th. Now, that's being changed till October 4th, so they've pushed it back. So you got a whole another month to have a super affordable house before they change those guidelines, and it makes it more expensive to buy a house. All right, guys, I'm going to give you guys the hint of the year, the tip of the year. There's only 3 things that you need to know when you're getting a mortgage.
Okay.
Or you're helping somebody get a mortgage.
Sure. What are they?
Credit.
Okay. Check.
Capacity. Collateral.
Collateral.
That's all you need.
That's a broad
Credit,
spectrum.
Credit. Got to have good credit. Capacity. You got to make money. You got to prove you make the money. And collateral. You got to have a property that's actually worth what you're buying for or what you're refinancing it for. And that's all I got.
Peace. All right. This is Austin Real Estate Daily. It's good to be back, and we will be back tomorrow. Check us out, www.austinrealestatedaily.com.
Because real estate happens on a
daily basis.
That's right.
Bye-bye.
See you, Jason. With this week's prediction, I'm predicting home sales in July are going to be when they come out.
That's ooh, Swami, quite the prediction.
Yeah, so those MLS numbers come out in the next couple of days. They usually come out around the 21st of the month. So in the next couple of days, we'll check that out and see if the Swami knows. But I think it's going to suck.